Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Scott from BetterLifeHacks.com. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the daily habits that make you age faster than you should. If you're new to this channel, welcome to go through the content of this video. And make sure you give me a thumb up. And if you enjoyed the video, you can visit the resources section below, and get the free report, guide we recommend, and subscribe to stay updated. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started. Do you look older than you are? Besides genetics, there are many factors that contribute to your perceived age. There are things that we do in our day-to-day lives that can make us age beyond our years. As we get older, we want to make sure that we're doing things in our lives to keep us as healthy as possible, rather than adding years onto our bodies. Below are the 10 everyday habits that make you age faster, and you should avoid them. Number 1. Low-fat diets. To prevent wrinkles, it is essential to consume omega-3 fatty acids that help keep skin supple and smooth. A low-fat diet deprives us of this component, causing premature aging of the skin. Number 2. Not reducing your blood pressure. Blood pressure is something that, while we're young, we don't think too hard about. It can mean that, when it really starts to matter, we've already gone long enough not watching our blood pressure, that things can get hairy. According to Hello Heart, it turns out the early stages of hypertension and high blood pressure have a very real impact on how old you look. Even though you aren't getting heart attack-like symptoms, you are aging faster than you should, and those around you can tell. Therefore, if you let your blood pressure go unchecked, high blood pressure can even take years off your life, including causing the risk of heart disease, stroke or even heart failure. Number 3. Not watching your weight. Science has long proven that people who were overweight, and who managed to lose some of that weight and keep it off, were able to improve their lifespan. Not watching your weight can make you age faster. When studied, patients who lost at least 2.2 pounds increased their lifespan by 2 months. Maintaining a healthy weight can increase your lifespan, as well as stop you from aging faster. Number 4. Sleeping on your side. Sleeping on your side, with your face squashed into the pillow, causes and increases wrinkles on the cheeks and chin. Experts say that sleeping flat on your back is the best position to sleep and stay young, fresh, and rested. Number 5. Smoking. Most people know the health risks of smoking, including skin, lung, and throat cancer. But smoking can also make you age much faster than your body should be aging. Even after you've quit smoking, it's hard to turn the effects back around that can cause problems years down the line after you've quit. According to WebMD, maybe there is no fountain of youth, but there is a surefire way to make yourself look older. Smoking changes the skin, teeth, and hair in ways that can add years to your looks. It also affects everything, from your fertility to the strength of your heart, lungs, and bones. It's best to never start smoking to begin with, but even if you've already begun, quitting is much better than keeping on smoking. It's one of the most dangerous and biggest things that age you faster. Number 6. You don't bother with exercise. You don't even need a gym to work out. Experts find that just 30 minutes of moderate walking can improve health, lower bad cholesterol, protect your heart, improve insulin sensitivity, and perhaps most importantly, strengthen bones. As we age, an injury becomes increasingly life-threatening. On top of ensuring you're consuming enough vitamin D and calcium, ensure you're getting in at least 3 days of 30-minute brisk walking. Number 7. Stress. Several studies have shown that chronic stress causes serious damage to the cells, which may speed up the aging process. Do not get bogged down, forget the saying, leave for tomorrow what you can do today, and try to get everything done on time. Number 8. Not practicing meditation. Stressed out? Anxious? Upset? Feeling lots of negative emotions? Do you just let yourself wallow in those feelings, without trying to work through them? Are you the type of person to let yourself get overwhelmed by your negativity? This is a habit that is definitely making you age faster. According to this study, meditation mitigates stress-related cognitions and propagation of negative emotions and negative stress arousal. A long-standing practice of mindfulness, or other forms of meditation, may indeed decelerate cellular aging. Getting into meditation and peaceful mindfulness will help reduce your anxiety and stress, while making sure your negative emotions aren't taking years off your life. Number 9. you rarely get a good night's rest. If you didn't already know from personal experience, the National Sleep Foundation tell us that most Americans don't get enough shut-eye. Because sleep is a critical component of hormone regulation, muscle recovery, memory development, and maintaining a properly functioning metabolism. Over time, sleep deprivation can lead to weight gain, anxiety, depression and insulin resistance, which can trigger type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Make catching some sleep a top priority so your body can adequately produce fat-burning hormones. Number 10. Giving up on education. Education, and especially university and beyond, can be inaccessible for a lot of people. But, if you're capable to going, it's important to get as high of an education that you can. Studies have shown that education has an impact on your life in so many different ways, and all of them work together to improve your health, help you live longer, and keep you young. And that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tuning in as always. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, if you found this video even a little bit useful. Your support means a lot, I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, I'll talk to you soon.